Hi beauties, it's Team Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And look where I went. You guys, IKEA. You can tell by the big huge blue bag that I had to buy. It was only $1.49 and it carries a ton of stuff. But I had to share this with you. Normally I don't do hauls on just places I go. But you guys, there's stuff for DIYs in here. And there are some cool items. So let me go ahead and show you. I think everything I spent, you guys, I only bought everything for $23. And this was the second to most expensive item. And it's just this little, what's it called? A fejka. It's just a little ball, like a little fern ball. Really cute. Love it. So I grabbed one of those. But some of the stuff I wanted to show you, I had to get 4 of these, you guys. Trying to hold everything. So sorry about that. This is going to be a great ASMR video because all the noise that I'm making. But let me go ahead and... The hardest part was getting these apart. You guys, look at these. Okay, before I tell you, click in the comments and tell me what you think of the price of each of these items. So I grabbed 4 of these. They're super cute. How much? Go ahead, comment down below. I'll wait for you. Who guessed 25 cents? 25 cents for these. So, of course, I bought 4, only spent $1. I thought that was really cool. Alright, these are called Visionaires. They've got 4 of the little ones, 2 of the mid, and 2 of the big. You guys, they open up and they make these little guys here. Do you see them? So, how much do you think I spent there? Go ahead, put it in the comments. You can comment more than once. If you put 25 cents, you got it right. You got it right. I'm looking to see if my receipt is in here. I don't think it is. Which means I kind of have to remember everything. Next, I got this guy, and it's called a Cineric. I bought 2 of them. Look at this big, huge ball. It is a plastic ball. It's got this top to it. And you guys, it's a light. It's a light fixture, one of the hanging light fixtures. You see there? All right, go ahead. I'll give you a clue. It's not 25 cents. What's your cost that you're thinking? I'm going to grab the other one. What are you thinking? Here we go. Even with directions. If you guessed 99 cents, you are correct. This is a fun game. It's not a game I can play with Dollar Tree because everybody knows how much Dollar Tree stuff is. Alright, here we go. How many of these did I get? 1, 2, 3. Now, if you know the price of those, oh, I do. You guys, I found the items here. So, go ahead. Guess how much these are. Tell me how much you think they are. And I'm looking right now just to make sure. They're called Mognad, and they are plastic candles. They don't have the battery in them. You need to put batteries in there. How much? Did you put your guess? Was it 49 cents? If it was 49 cents each, you are correct. Now, let's see. Do they fit in here? They do. Ooh, fun. I'm going to have fun with these, you guys. I'm going to have fun with those. What's the next item? I bought 2 of these also. And again, this one's called a Second, and it is another light. This one's got a little bulb, a very teeny tiny light in there. So, but it's the same as the big one, except the light bulb is only about that big, very tiny. But it also hangs. Here's the picture. How much were those? What were they called? Seconds. I got 2 of them. 2 of them for 98 cents. That means they were only 49 cents a piece. How cool is that? All right, let's get into the big ticket items here. I only have these 3 left. But I had to show them. You can tell I'm so excited. When I find deals, I have to tell you. All right, these are called Culligan. They are pillowcases, but they're nice. They're kind of canvas. And these are going to be really nice for guests that come over. And, you know, so you can clean, give your pillows a clean, fresh, just like pillowcases. But, okay, checking them out. How much are they? I got 2 of them. And so I paid $3.98 for the pair. So it was only $1.99 a piece. You guys, where can you get pillowcases for $1.99 a piece? Especially in that quality. I was super excited about that. And then this one. I'm going to open this one because this one is going to be going on my desk right away. It's very heavy. It's called the Janso. Let's see. Oh, of course, it's IKEA. You have to put it all together. This is the switch. And after we put it all together, it's going to make this nice bright light. I've already seen it, but this is the expensive piece. Okay, how much? This is what it looks like, and you can maneuver it any which way. This will be perfect for taking pictures. How much is it? Let me look. Jan's Joe. The Jan's Joe. Oh yeah, this is so expensive. $4.99. Is that crazy? That is crazy. They had these originally for like 20 bucks. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm super excited. You guys, if you like IKEA, go check out their clearance section and you can get these great deals too. If they still have them, of course, because there were a lot of us checking everything out. And I only bought what I could because, you know, I had a few DIYs in mind. Otherwise, if I was redecorating a house or a patio or something like that, I would have bought like a whole bunch of these. Like a whole bunch of these. So, alright beauties, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you like my IKEA haul, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please put down in the comment below that you'd like to see more IKEA hauls. If not, you guys, please just let me know. That's what I want to hear. I like hearing what you guys are looking for. So, I know some of you were asking for DIYs, so I got stuff for DIYs. We're going to be doing it. Alright, beauties. Oh, look, I said, yeah, $23. Whew. Alright. You guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more, and I will talk to you later. Bye!